From a hybrid tractor that slashes emissions to an autonomous mower that memorizes its own routes, these cutting-edge farm machines are changing agriculture as we know it. Wait until you see what they can do. AUGA M1. The AUGA M1 is the world's first hybrid tractor developed by the Lithuanian company AUGA Group. This innovative machine runs on biomethane and electricity, allowing for continuous operation of up to 12 hours. Thanks to this groundbreaking technology, it helps reduce carbon dioxide emissions by an impressive 114 tons per year. Equipped with a Ford internal combustion engine and featuring a class cab, the AUGA M1 is built for efficiency and comfort. After a year-long development process, the production version is now ready. The first batch includes 3 tractors, each fitted with different components to determine the most effective technological solutions for mass production. One striking aspect of the tractor is its new anthracite brown color, chosen to symbolize fertile earth, reinforcing its commitment to sustainable agriculture. It's never too late to integrate ecology and efficiency into modern farming. FireFly Automatix M220 mower. The M220 AV autonomous mower is designed for those with busy schedules who need maximum efficiency in their mowing operations. With a top speed of 22 km per hour, this machine covers large areas quickly, making it a high-performance solution for extensive fields. Powered by a 125 horsepower engine and a 227-liter fuel tank, the mower is built for long hours of operation. Its working width of 6.4 meters allows it to cut up to 10 hectares per hour, making it one of the most productive mowers on the market. One of its standout features is its route memorization system, which enables it to retrace and repeat paths autonomously after an initial run. The operator-friendly design eliminates the need for lubricating gears or shafts, as all bearings and spindles are sealed. For comfort, the climate-controlled cab is equipped with a high-end seat, Bluetooth connectivity, and easy-to-use controls, making mowing a seamless experience. Which eco-friendly innovation impresses you more, the hybrid AUGA M1 tractor, or the autonomous FireFly M220 mower? Share your thoughts below. KUHN AURA. The AURA autonomous mixer revolutionizes livestock feeding by ensuring that animals receive consistent and precise meals without requiring human labor. This smart machine can load silage independently, mix feed, and distribute it efficiently using its 3 cubic meter tank. Inside the tank, 2 vertical augers reduce power consumption, while KUHN's proprietary materials make the tank and augers 6 times more durable than standard models. Built-in rotating brushes prevent feed leftovers from going to waste, ensuring optimal efficiency. For navigation, the AURA relies on RTK GPS and LiDAR technology, allowing it to maneuver around the farm with precision, even on uneven terrain. Additionally, it can operate on slopes of up to 20%, making it adaptable for most farms. There's also an all-electric version available for quieter operation and lower emissions. Since well-fed cows produce better milk, this system is a win for farmers and consumers alike. PELLENC OPTIMUM. The PELLENC OPTIMUM is a high-tech wine press designed for premium winemaking. It comes in various sizes, ranging from 20 to 150 hectoliters, and offers both open and closed bin options to accommodate different production needs. The fast press system, combined with smart handling technology, ensures that grape juice is extracted with maximum efficiency. Meanwhile, the Ingas and Inoxi Plus systems prevent oxidation, preserving the natural flavors and colors of the juice. Beyond pressing, the system also allows for grape skin maceration, making it a versatile tool for winemakers. A user-friendly touchscreen interface lets operators adjust pressing cycles to suit different grape varieties and juice quality requirements. Perhaps the most convenient feature is its self-cleaning capability. The entire machine can be thoroughly washed in under 30 minutes, minimizing downtime and maintenance efforts. Are you more impressed by the AURA's smart livestock feeding or the PELLENC OPTIMUM's winemaking technology? Let us know in the comments. Brouwer Kesmac Robomax JD. The Robomax JD automatic turf harvester is a game-changer for businesses involved in planting and cutting grass. Built on a John Deere 6130M tractor, It features a 24x24 AutoQuad Plus transmission and standard all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth operation in various terrains. This innovative machine carefully removes topsoil, rolling it into bales with diameters ranging from 40 to 60 centimeters. A simple yet effective robotic stacking system then places 5 bales at a time onto a pallet, streamlining the harvesting process. With a top speed of 12 kilometers per hour, it efficiently covers large fields. Additionally, its smart debris management system automatically clears the conveyor belt if any obstructions occur, allowing uninterrupted work. Designed for efficiency and precision, the Robomax JD is an essential tool for turf operations aiming to enhance productivity and profitability. ROPA Maus 6. The ROPA Maus 6 is an advanced machine designed for beet harvesting. It features a spacious, comfortable cabin that can be elevated up to 5 meters using hydraulic pistons, offering the operator an excellent view of the field. The cabin comfortably accommodates 2 adults, such as the operator and their assistant or replacement, ensuring smooth shifts during long hours of operation. Equipped with a 10-meter beet harvesting and sifting system, the Maus 6 efficiently processes large areas. The powerful 7.7-liter Mercedes-Benz engine delivers 354 horsepower, providing excellent performance while maintaining lower RPMs for better fuel efficiency. Additionally, the machine incorporates advanced telematics, predictive analytics, and online diagnostics, ensuring optimal operation and easy maintenance. Which of these innovations, the Robomax JD or the ROPA Maus 6, do you think could transform farming? Let us know in the comments. ASA-LIFT TC-1010E. The ASA-LIFT TC-1010E is a next-generation cabbage harvester, designed to maximize efficiency while ensuring gentle handling of produce. It features an advanced cutting mechanism that minimizes damage, preserving the freshness and quality of cabbages. Once harvested, the cabbages travel along a conveyor belt to the processing station, where workers manually sort out excess leaves before sending them to trailers positioned alongside the harvester. The machine's adjustable settings allow it to adapt to various field conditions and different cabbage types, making it an essential tool during peak harvesting seasons. Designed for efficiency and ease of operation, the ASA-LIFT TC-1010E attaches to a tractor, enabling seamless integration into existing farm setups. KUHN Swadro. The KUHN Swadro is an advanced hay rake, available in multiple models to cater to different farm sizes and needs. From single-rotor rakes for smaller farms to multi-rotor models for large-scale operations, the Swadro lineup ensures optimal hay collection with minimal waste. The Swadro TS970, the largest model in the series, features double windrows up to 20 meters wide, covering 10 hectares per hour. Its wide wheelbase and articulated steering system provide superior maneuverability, even on uneven or sloped terrain. The Swadro also comes with an advanced tracking system, ensuring precise and efficient hay collection, which ultimately helps maximize yield while reducing operational losses. It's an essential piece of equipment for modern hay production. Which harvesting machine would you invest in? The high-precision ASA-LIFT TC-1010E or the efficient KUHN Swadro hay rake? Drop your pick in the comments. Agri Spread Pro 9000. The Agri Spread Pro 9000 is a specialized machine designed for efficiently applying organic fertilizers and bulk materials to the soil. While it may sound complex, at its core it's simply a high-performance manure spreader. This model is equipped with 2 vertical beaters and a precise drive system to ensure even material distribution. Available in multiple versions with capacities ranging from 6 to 12 tons, the Pro 9000 is built for flexibility. The beaters, designed by Agri Spread, are constructed from high-strength steel and feature reversible tips, spinning at a rapid 420 RPM. The hydraulic-driven floor chain, with a sturdy 16mm diameter, guarantees durability and longevity. Additionally, the Pro 9000 is fitted with large, rugged wheels, allowing it to navigate all types of terrain with ease, making it a dependable choice for challenging agricultural environments. CM's Moonbuggy Monster 2. The Moonbuggy Monster 2 is a game-changer in cotton bale transportation and stacking, designed to automate handling on large-scale plantations. By eliminating manual labor, it significantly speeds up raw material processing. The machine is equipped with a spacious platform featuring hydraulic grippers and powerful lifting mechanism. For optimal visibility, the operator's cabin is strategically positioned to provide a full view of the work area. Its multi-axle chassis, combined with robust tires, allows it to operate efficiently even on uneven terrain. The engineering behind this machine is focused on minimizing damage to valuable cotton bales during transportation. The origins of its name, Moon Buggy Monster 2, remain a mystery. Perhaps the creators originally envisioned it for lunar dust transport, before realizing cotton was a more lucrative venture. Which one wins for you? The Agri Spread Pro 9000 for precision fertilizing or the Moon Buggy Monster 2 for high-speed cotton bale handling? Let us know. Duvelsdorf Silage Roller with Side Shift. This advanced silage roller is an essential tool for compacting silage across large areas. With a drum diameter of 107 centimeters and tines standing at 17 centimeters, it delivers high-impact compression with every pass. The roller itself weighs 1,995 kilograms, but it also includes a water-fillable compartment that can increase its total weight to 3,980 kilograms for extra efficiency. Side wheels help prevent damage to silage walls, and their pressure can be conveniently adjusted from within the operator's cab. With an overall width of 3 meters, the Duvelsdorf silage roller is easy to maneuver and transport on public roads, making it a practical solution for large-scale silage operations. ROPA Kyler 2 RK22. One of the most advanced potato harvesters on the market, the ROPA Kyler 2 RK22, is engineered for precision and efficiency. This premium harvester is equipped with a fully hydraulic drive system, significantly reducing fuel consumption while enhancing performance. Its integrated electronic load management system ensures precise and safe operation. Versatility is another strong point. The Kyler 2 RK22 isn't just for potatoes. It can also handle onions, carrots, celery, and other root crops. The adaptable platforms can be configured for different crops with ease. The harvester features an intuitive 30-centimeter touchscreen terminal that displays all critical operational parameters, and the control joysticks allow for straightforward adjustments. Its telescopic axle enables the chassis width to be adjusted from 3 to 3.5 meters, while large 850/50ths R30.5 wheels minimize ground pressure and improve traction, making field operations smoother. Would you rather have the Duvelsdorf silage roller for superior silage compression, or the ROPA Kyler 2 RK22 for high-speed harvesting? Drop your pick below. Amazon Cirrus 9042C Grand. The Cirrus 9042C Grand is a high-capacity cultivator drill designed for large-scale farming operations. With an impressive working width of 9 meters and row spacing of 16 centimeters, it is built for efficiency. Its dual-chamber hopper offers a generous 5,750-liter capacity, ensuring extended operation without frequent refills. The machine boasts precise dosing accuracy through controlled system pressure, capable of distributing up to 400 kilograms of material per hectare at a working speed of 15 kilometers per hour. Planting depth adjustments are made easy with electromechanical controls, while the system's maximum coulter pressure of 100 kilograms guarantees uniform seed placement. The cultivator's split compacted seedbed concept promotes optimal plant growth and enhances soil water retention. Large, durable wheels make mobility effortless, allowing for a smooth ride at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Designed to increase productivity while keeping weeds under control, this cultivator drill is an essential tool for high-efficiency farming. Pier System Catching Machine. The Pier System Catching Machine revolutionizes poultry handling with a design focused on speed and animal welfare. Equipped with 3 rotating drums lined with soft rubber fingers, the system gently captures chickens without causing stress. Once secured, the birds are transferred smoothly onto a conveyor belt leading to a collection platform. Its telescopic mechanism extends up to 20 meters, making it ideal for handling large poultry houses. Operators control the machine via a radio frequency remote system, ensuring precise and effortless movement. Hydraulic components add durability and reliability, allowing for long-term, high-volume operations. This cutting-edge technology streamlines poultry collection, reducing both labor costs and stress for the birds, while significantly improving efficiency. Which one is the ultimate farm helper, the Argyle's FHT4 for automated watermelon harvesting or the Pier System Catching Machine for stress-free poultry handling? Tell us in the comments. Nerman Engineering Hydraulic Tail Lift. The hydraulic cow lift for truck transport is a breakthrough in safe and humane animal handling. Featuring an anti-slip platform, this lift gently elevates cows using a hydraulic system, minimizing stress and discomfort. With just a single operator using a remote control, the entire process is smooth and efficient. Side guards securely hold the cow in place, preventing accidental falls and ensuring the animal's safety during loading. Built to support even the heaviest livestock, this lift is a versatile addition to any farm operation. Easily mountable onto standard truck beds, it transforms ordinary transport vehicles into specialized livestock carriers. That's a wrap on today's lineup of cutting-edge agricultural machines. From autonomous harvesters to high-tech sprayers, these innovations are redefining efficiency and sustainability in farming. Which machine caught your eye the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible farming tech updates. See you in the next one.